Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the Instant Vortex Plus and Air Fryer. Make sure to hit the like button, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. The Instant Vortex Plus comes at a price of $139, while Air Fryer is priced at $79, making it a more affordable option. Both air fryers have multiple functionalities, but Instant Vortex Plus stands out with its 6-in-1 functionality of air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, reheating, and dehydrating. Whereas Air Fryer has 9 functions including fries, chicken, steak, dessert, seafood, bacon, veggies, and dehyde. Instant Vortex Plus has the Even Crisp technology that allows for airflow and gives a perfect golden finish and crispy results. On the other hand, Air Fryer has the Even Crisp technology and Thermo IQ technology, which automatically adjusts temperature and prevents burnt and undercooked food. Air Fryer has a larger 4QT capacity, allowing for more food to be cooked at once, while Instant Vortex Plus is ideal for 4 to 6 servings. Both air fryers have non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets and trays, making cleaning up easy. Instant Vortex Plus has a clear cook window and internal light for easy monitoring of cooking progress, a progress bar to track cooking progress, and customizable one-touch smart programs. Air Fryer has a shake reminder and a memory function that allows for continuing cooking after taking out the frying basket. And that concludes our comparison of the Instant Vortex Plus and Air Fryer. Both air fryers have their unique features and benefits. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching.